Perplexity AI, the future of AI-powered search? Google search might have met its match, Perplexity. AI is redefining the way we find information. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity AI combines AI-powered research, real-time sources, and conversational responses to deliver faster, smarter, and more accurate answers. Powered by advanced language models and real-time data retrieval, it's being called the ChatGPT of search engines. But is it truly better than Google, Bing, and AI-driven search competitors like U.com? Let's dive into how Perplexity AI is changing the future of search.